Let's count sevens. 7, 7, 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 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, and 84. Can I say any more? Let's do it one more time. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. You always take 7 and add 7 more. That's how we're doing this. Your 7 times tables. Now you know it for sure. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 7 is 63. And 10 times 7 is 70. 11 times 7 is 77. And 12 times 7 is 84. Can I say any more? When you're in class, raise your hand for sure. Say, listen, I know this stuff, teacher. That kind of rhymes, you know. But we're rocking with Mr. O. Mr. O, 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 O. A circle or something like that. Yeah, cipher, yeah. All right, so that's your 7 times tables. All right, practice them, write them down, remember them, and you won't be the class clown. You be profound, solar bound. All right, yeah. See ya out of here, Mr. O, O,